Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about what to do when your fridge isn't making noise, but the light is on. Watch the video until the end to learn more. When a fridge is not making noise, but the light is on, it indicates that the fridge has power, but isn't cooling. Here are reasons why this happens. Number 1, compressor issues. Number 2, condenser fan problems, or number 3, temperature settings. To fix these, identify and fix compressor issues. Check if the compressor is running by feeling for vibrations. If it's not, ensure it's not overheating or blocked. Test the start relay and capacitor, replacing any faulty parts. If this doesn't work, check for condenser fan problems. Unplug the fridge and inspect the fan for obstructions or dirt. Clean the blades and ensure the fan spins freely. Check the fan motor and replace it if faulty. Proper fan operation is crucial for effective cooling. Check the temperature settings. Verify that the thermostat is set to the correct temperature, usually between 37 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Adjust it if needed. Next, check if the thermostat is functioning properly by listening for clicks or replacing it if it's unresponsive. Accurate settings ensure proper cooling. And there you have it. That's how to fix a fridge that's not making noise but the light is on. Thanks for watching. Till next time.